I believe this is going to go a long way and support the sport in the country, in Solomon Islands. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey Joe, thank you for this paddle. Looks like you've been in the sport for quite some time. We appreciate it, and yeah, we appreciate the support too. Thank you so much. We'll take care of your paddle.
I would like to say thank you so much to Nusa, Poliva and Hurricanes for their donation of canoes and paddles. It will definitely help us with our training for the upcoming Pacific Games. Thank you, Thomas.